Human minds are elastic and have the potential to advance depending on how they are put to use. Just like body muscles, the more we put them under use, the more they will become strong. Our mind is not an exception. Well, in today's video, let's look at some of the top skills you can consider learning now. It is very important to take your time and do some research before you pursue any skill. Two major things to consider are your passions and the market trends. The path you choose will really motivate you when it coincides with your passion. So without further ado, let's get started. The first skill set to consider is artificial intelligence. It is one of the most recommended skills to pursue because of how it has taken over different sectors. There are thousands of vacant positions in various sectors with very few people to fill them. Through this skill set, you are able to gain solid understanding of computer science foundations as well as artificial intelligence, machine learning, robotics and robotic theory. If you are interested in artificial intelligence courses, you should be well versed in mathematics and technology. With this skill, the future will be right in your hands. The second top skill that you can consider having these days is data science. It is among the diversified fields where the chronological advances are seen at a larger scale. It's an interdisciplinary field which uses different scientific methods, logarithm, and system to extract the information from structured and unstructured data. You can make a secured feature by equipping yourself with this skill. Skill sets in this field include data mining, machine learning, deep learning, statistical analysis, data processing, visualization, etc. You really can't miss to get something that suits you. The third skill that I think one needs to learn is blockchain technology. Blockchain technology courses and training programs will give you the knowledge and skills you need to develop a successful career in all the fields related to blockchain sector. Through this course, you will get to learn everything to do with cybersecurity and cryptography, computer programming, data structures, among other blockchain related courses, which will secure your future plans. The fourth skill that you should be quick to learn in the technological era is Python. This is an easy language for networkers and it will expose you to coding and programming. And as a networking engineer, Python will set a good starting ground for you. There are several other skills in programming that you can learn apart from Python, such as Java, cloud computing, OPP languages, etc. You can choose any language that you feel comfortable with. The basic thing is that at this time and age, learning at least a single programming language will set you ahead of the rest. Another important area that you can learn and get grounding in the information technology is cloud computing. Some of the courses covered in a cloud computing certification course include Microsoft Azure, AWS Technical Essential and Cloud Computing Capstone projects, etc. The demand for cloud computing specialists is rising day by day and so is the salary. If you have little interest in cloud computing, you may also consider DevOps certification. This is also among the top quick certification that pays well and can be learned in a short time. It entails courses such as SaltStack, Puppet and Ansible. As organizations seek to automate their management skills, DevOps certification is becoming increasingly important and of value in the market. An average person spends about 2.5 hours on social media platforms. Think about it for a moment. If you can spend just 1 hour a day to learn a new skill, you turn out to be so great in the near future. Remember, the hardest part is how to start. How about starting today? If you're not so much interested in IT, you can take social science. For instance, you can advance your skill in anthropology. Anthropology is the study of human behavior from biological and social viewpoint. It is one of the most sought after degree for the future as it can be used in business, arts, academics and teaching, literally everywhere. The course is offered both on campus and online. Students interested will be able to explore more about archaeology, biology and linguistics as a focus. The graduates can work as anthropologists, archaeologists, archivists, conservationists, curators, public analysts, urban planners and many more. If you are an outspoken person with a heavy social media presence, you can also consider a marketing skill. Demand for social media marketers and influencers is so high because of the consumer competition. Mailchimping and email campaigns are the talk of the streets. You'll be able to learn how to create campaigns using a number of different platforms and techniques, including the latest in advertising technology and social media. You can then use social media for your entertainment and still make some money from it. I hope this video was helpful and you're going to enroll for one of the above courses to better your skills. Do let us know in the chat of what you think about the above mentioned top skills. Well, if you loved this video, remember to give us a like and subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Thanks for watching. Happy learning.